This Dynofit 32-piece lug nut set is specifically sized for modern heavy-duty Ford 3/4-ton and 1-ton trucks that use 14 by 1.5 millimeter threads and a flat seat design. The solid one-piece construction avoids the common cap separation issues of factory-style lug nuts, which makes wheel service more predictable and reduces the chance of distorted caps. Cold-forged alloy steel gives these lug nuts the strength needed for repeated torque cycles on large trucks without rounding off or deforming easily. A thick chrome plating and carefully finished threads help these lug nuts resist rust and corrosion far better than many generic replacements, even in harsh winter conditions. Each lug nut is individually protected in the package, and the manufacturer recommends using a hand wrench, which helps keep the chrome finish cleaner and extends service life. For owners who frequently rotate tires or tow heavy loads, this matched set of 32 lug nuts offers a reliable factory-style appearance with upgraded durability.